Okay everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. This is bold concept. Alright, so this is the logo we are going to be designing. I teach you how to design the most rated designs with the most underrated tools. So today this is what we are going to be working on from scratch. Let me just delete this. So this is the sketch we are going to be using. I saw this sketch online and we can work with it perfectly. If you want the sketch, you can check the description box. You'll find the link to get the sketch. Let's increase the opacity. Okay, this is the sketch. You'll find the link in the description box to get the sketch, and also join my WhatsApp community with the link below. Alright, let's start the video. So first of all, we are going to reduce the opacity so we'll be able to work with what we're working with well. The next step is to lock it. Then you go to your shapes. Make the shape, give it a black color. Don't forget the use of your guidelines. Just arrange them. We'll be working on them step by step. Okay, that's all. Snap it. So first of all, we'll rotate it to the desired angle. Also reduce the opacity of the shape too, so you'll be able to see through to fix it well. Alright, that's it. Just reduce this here and we've gotten the shape we want. So the next step, we are going to copy this and change the color to white. Make the color white. So just fix this here. Get the shape we want. Don't forget to increase it so you can cut it out very well. We copy it again. Copy the white one and fix it above it. Then increase the opacity to the original percentage of every single one of them, and you merge them together. After merging them together, you can go to erase color and erase the color of the white. You've gotten your shape. So you can hide this and work on the other parts. So this is where we're going to be working on right now. So we'll go to the shapes again and make it black. Let's fix our guidelines well. Working on this shape, you don't need to increase it all the way to this side because the other shape has filled here already. So you can just, I forgot to reduce the opacity. You can just leave it right over here or here and just increase the size here. Then we'll cut it out from the other side. Let's copy it first. Copy out the shape so you can cut it out. Increase it all the way. Change the color to white. Don't forget, changing the color to white is very important, or to other colors, so that when you merge them together, you'll be able to erase just one color. Then you increase the opacity. I'll try to make this video as short as possible so it does not waste your time. Right, that is it. So now just so this is how far we've gone. Let's increase this. this is how far we've gone with the logo. So now we're working on the triangle part. Sorry, let's hide this once. So let's just work on the triangle. Let's unhide this so we can work on the triangle. Just go to shapes and make it triangle. See, the triangle is upside down. This is like the easiest part of it all. Then you rotate it. Just make sure you rotate it well. I'll show you the rotation angle later. Let's adjust the rotation first. Okay. I'm walking on sunshine. Ooh. That's just it. You can make the color black now. Wait, let me show you the rotation. Let's make the color black first. Increase the opacity. This is how it looks like. Now let me show you the rotation angle. So this is rotation angle minus 167 degree for the triangle. You can, in case you will need it, so we also log this and hide them. So now we are done with, sorry, let me unhide them first for you to see how far we've gone. We've done with this part, so we made this part. That's what we are going to be working on now. Let's hide them. So work with the let's work with the circle first before we with this curve part, before we work with this other part. And this other part, since you see now what I've done here, so it will be easier for you to do, so I might skip it or make it faster. So let's work with this circle first. Just make the shape a circle, increase it to black, make the color black rather. Don't forget the opacity, very important. Just make sure it fits into the circle. Okay, perfect. Oh wait, make sure it fits into the circle perfectly. Now you can see it perfectly fits into the circle. Let me show you the size of the circle. This is the relative size. The width and height is 55%. So that, I think that's all you need to know. And let's copy it and make the color white. So just reduce this. We're going to put this in the inner part of the circle. Okay, yes. So now we are going to what do they call it? Cut out this part. You see there's an opening. There's an opening here and here. Sorry about that. There's an opening here and here. Let's hide this first so you'll be able to see the opening. You see the circle has an opening. This is a complete shade of the circle here. So there's an opening over here and over here. So we're just going to cut it out. Create a shape, make the shape a square, and make the color black. So when you've gotten your shape, we're going to hide this first. We're not using it for now. This is what we're going to be working with. So we increase the opacity before we cut it out. Increase the opacity before we cut it out. Then we can now go ahead to cut it out, to erase it out, but first of all, let's merge them together. Merge the two circles together. And then we erase the color of the whites. For a perfect black color, you can make the tolerance to be 70. Then you can also lock this down, unhide the square, move it to the front. Okay, let's change the color to white first, and then you can move it to the front. Don't forget the opacity to reduce the opacity of the two. Okay, you can leave the opacity of the black, but you should reduce the opacity of the square. So you just put the square over here where you'll be able to get the cutout. So this is the guideline that I made for it. So you'll be able to get the perfect cutout. Then you increase the opacity back and merge them. Don't forget to erase the color again. And so we're done with that. You can log this how far we've gone. So just to remain this one over here. So that's what we're going to be working with now. So don't forget to get this part. It's just the same procedure that we used at first that we're going to use. Alright, so I'm going to skip this part now. When I'm done, I'll continue the video from there. So that's it. So now let's unhide the rest of them and hide the sketch. Let me change the background color, something like this. Okay, now you can start fixing in the shapes rightly. Let's start with the curves. If your own is like this, there is no problem. You just need to adjust it well to get the perfect shape or perfect logo. So the ones with the white cutout, what we need to do is to go back to the erase color and increase the tolerance. Now the white is gone, so you can repeat that for the rest of the ones with the white cutout. Okay, now you can see it is better than before now. So you just need to adjust this triangle and increase it, take it up a little bit to rhyme with this. Yeah, we can use the guidelines for that. Okay, I think it's better now. Let's just adjust it. Okay, now so this is it. You can go ahead to merge all of them together. Just merge them together so you'll be able to work with them at once. So this is the outcome of our work. Let's change the background color to white. Now you see this is the outcome here. So thank you for watching this far. If you know you are new to this channel, you've not subscribed, and if you've been coming but you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and if this tutorial have been helpful to you, comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.